Encountered a green file from video production or chroma keywork. These store configurations for green screen processing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these green screen configuration files. Here's a professional insight. For those green files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. Green files are configuration files used by various video production applications for green screen and chroma key processing. They store settings for color keying spill suppression, edge refinement, and compositing parameters used in visual effects workflows. Green files use application-specific formats, often XML or JSON storing chroma key parameters, color tolerance, edge processing settings, spill suppression values, and matte refinement options, following the originating video application's specification for chroma key configuration. The green data container is optimally managed by Adobe After Effects, developed by Adobe. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows may allow quick editing, but altering settings without context may create issues. The easiest way to identify the error source is testing. Right-click the green file and hit Open With. Use Adobe After Effects if installed. If it's not present, choose another program. We must find the correct software handler. If your green file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, opening in video software. Import green files into your video editing or compositing software like Adobe, After Effects Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut Pro, through the Effects Preset Import function. The application applies the configuration to chroma key effects in your project. Next, editing as text. If the green file uses XML or JSON format, open it in a text editor like Visual Studio Code to inspect parameters. Modify values carefully to adjust chroma key behavior, then save and reload in your video application for the changes to take effect. Finally, recreating in modern software. Manually configure chroma key settings in current video software using the green file values as reference. Modern applications like After Effects and Resolve provide advanced keying tools that may produce better results than legacy configurations through interactive parameter adjustment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.